If you're looking for the stunning view like this on Huay Kaew Road, we have the 2-bedroom and the 2-bathroom condo for sale. Here we at the Trio Condo. It's very close to Nimman Area Mall. And they come with a fully furnished. Please come to see my room. So now we are on the 14th floor of the Trio Condo. This condo is on Huay Kaew Road, and this room is a type of 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and the total area is 92.98 square meter. And the furniture that you will see in this video will be included for the sale. So the first part you will see, of course, when you see the sofa, one table here, of course, this will be a living area. This living area is come with a sofa, right? A big television, one aircon, and this room is decorated like the modern loft style. Is that you can mix between the recycled things to use. To be like turned to be like a table here. And you see, like behind me is the wall. They use the wallpapers. It's the wallpaper, but it's like the brick. See, and you see, it has some the light come in because they have the big the big windows over here, and also the balcony. So follow me to the next part, next to the living area. You will see this is a dining table, come with 4 chairs, and this area. The owner, she puts like the bookshelves here, and maybe you can keep all the things. You still have some space to put more stuff here. And also this corner, it's just like the cafe. They decorate like with the light warm here, with one table here, and you will see like all decoration is quite matte because they try to keep in like loft style. And walk to this part is not really the full kitchen because they have the counter over here. You can prepare the food, and with the sinks and other cupboard here you put your stuff. And you see that you have some space here that in the future you can put the hood and with the electric cooking here. See, so I'm gonna show you the first bathroom. You see, you still have some space. You can put more like cupboard here, and they have the shoe shelf here. See, follow me like to the bathroom. You see the floor is like style is still like loft style with a metal door, toilet, and the sink with the big mirror. See, even like the light is still like a cafe, and they have the shower with water heater. So the next part, I'm gonna show you the 2-bedroom that they have. So before we go to the bedroom, I would like to show you another area that they can still use it. You see, like they have some space here. That's why they put a refrigerator here with the washing machine and the dryer. And this is the first bedroom. So they're using like the sliding door. This is the glass, right? And as I told you, like every room they have the aircon. There's still have the sofa here. And this is the queen size bed. And of course, this one, they don't have the window, but they have the door to go to the balcony. Wow, the view is so stunning because this one you can see the sea, the pool, and the mountain in the same time. So the next room, this is my favorite room because it's a master bedroom. Of course, they still use a sliding door. This is the wood, right? And this one they change to the floor. They use the tiles. It's use the light color because it makes the room look big. And this one is not the wallpaper that they use painting to be like the light gay, like. And this is the bed is a king size bed. And behind me is the wardrobe. It's quite really like unique, right? Yes, and the modern style. They have one aircon in this room, and this area you can hang your clothes. There's one mirror when you are dressing up. And the window. So to make the room right, because to have the light come in, follow me to the bathroom. And also they use a metal door here, right? And also the floor they use the white tile, and the toilet, the sink with big mirror here. And of course the shower comes with a water heater. So the last one of this room is the highlight of this video because I would like to show you the view of this video. This view is really stunning because you see the whole city from here. But actually you still can see the mountain because Chiang Mai is a city that the mountain is around the city. From here you can see Mae Mall and Nimman Area Road. So that means it's really cold from here. So next one, I'm going to show you the facility of this condo. So let's see it. The Trio Condo is a high-rise condo that have 15 stories, 15 floors, right? As it's located on the Huay Kaew Road, then it's very close to Mae Shopping Mall, Nimman Area Road, Chiang Mai University, and the nearest hospital is the Suan Dok Hospital. If you want to come to this condo, it's really easy because it's in the middle between the Huay Kaew intersection and Nimman intersection. You will see the high condo in the middle. For the facility of this condo, they quite have many. As you see, they have the outdoor pool, they have gym, they have CCTV, sauna room, they have indoor parking, and they have security guard in the building. So if you have any comment or any question about this condo, you can contact me this number. And please don't forget to like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel to see what I'm gonna present you for the next video. But today I have to say goodbye.